How to use Google Fonts in your web development projects. As a web developer, one of the most important aspects of designing a website is the typography. Choosing the right font for your website can greatly impact its overall design and functionality. Google Fonts is a popular tool that can help web developers easily access a wide variety of fonts and use them in their web development projects. In this blog post, we'll be discussing how to use Google Fonts in your web development projects. Google Fonts is a free web font service that allows developers to choose from a variety of fonts for their web development projects. The service was launched in 2010 by Google and has since become one of the most popular sources for web fonts. Google Fonts offers over 1,000 font families, which can be used for both personal and commercial projects. The fonts are also available in multiple languages, making it easier for developers to choose the right font for their target audience. Using Google Fonts in your web development projects is relatively easy. Here are the steps to follow. The first step is to choose the font that you want to use on your website. Google Fonts has a wide variety of fonts to choose from, so it's important to choose one that fits the tone and style of your website. You can browse through the different font categories on the Google Fonts website and select a font that best suits your needs. After choosing your font, you need to add it to your website. You can do this by adding a link to the Google Fonts style sheet in the head section of your HTML document. Here's an example. This code links the Open Sans font from Google Fonts to your website. You can replace Open plus Sans with the name of the font that you've chosen. Once you've added the font to your website, you need to set it as the font family for the elements that you want to style. You can do this using CSS. Here's an example. This code sets the font family of the body element to Open Sans. If the Open Sans font is not available, it will fall back to a sans serif font. Google Fonts also allows you to customize your font. You can adjust the font weight, font style, and font size to suit your needs. You can do this using CSS. Here's an example. This code sets the font family of the H1 element to Open Sans, sets the font weight to bold, 700, and sets the font size to 36 pixels. In conclusion, Google Fonts is an excellent tool for web developers to easily access a wide variety of fonts and use them in their web development projects. By following the steps outlined above and keeping best practices in mind, you can enhance the design and functionality of your website with the use of Google Fonts.